Hey, my name is Joshua Latimer. I'm a crazy entrepreneur, 5 kids, joined by Michael Hinderliter. What's up?
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for coming down to Warplan Studios.
Yeah.
Something that's helped me that's kind of a cool mind trip to think about is that every person operates with 3 pieces of paper inside their head at any given time. The first piece of paper is your list of coulds, C-O-U-L-D. It's your could list. It's a big list. These are all the things you could do. You could work out. You could not work out. You could eat the donut. You could not eat the donut. You could go and do this with your business, that with your business. It's an infinitely long list. And part of the reason it's long is because you're not the only one adding to it. Society puts stuff on your could list. Marketers put stuff on your could list. Your wife, your mother-in-law, friends, like everybody has something to say, right? And then, but the second piece of paper is your should list, which is also too big, and it's also added to by other people, but it's only by people that you give permission to speak into your life. You know, so the stranger walking down the sidewalk could add your could list, but not your should list. Yeah, if that makes sense.
Yeah,
but the only list that actually matters, and if you really interview high achievers, and I have a lot of friends that have done unbelievable things in business, and one of the things I always try to do is connect the dots. Like, I'm not smart. I'm just a professional dot connector. And I can see patterns and behaviors and similarities. Different people, but similar things. And one of the things I've noticed is that they operate off a very short list. And the last list is called your must list. So you got your coulds, your shoulds, and then must. And now you have sovereignty over this list. Now, if you're just being swept by the waves of life, you're going to put a bunch of stuff on your must list. Like even a minute ago, you said, when I wake up and say, I have to go work out. Even using language like have to ruins it.
It does.
You don't say stuff like that. Right. Yeah. It's like, I'm going to go work out. Right. Or it's also acceptable to say, I don't feel like working out right now.
Yeah.
But it's on my must list. I'm going to do it anyway.
Yeah. It's how we talk to ourselves.